or welcome back to day 4 of Pujo Glow Up series. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you all this super simple makeup look, and the best part is I have created the eye look just using my fingers because I feel like that सबके पास बहुत सारे makeup brushes नहीं होते हैं. So in that time, this video comes in handy. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. I'm gonna quickly moisturize my lips as well. I'm using the Plum Candy Melts lip balm. It's in the red velvet flavor and it's amazing, you guys. You need to try this out because it literally heals your lips and preps your lips really well. I'm gonna start off with a primer, and for that I'm using ColourPop primer water, and I'm gonna just spritz it all over my face and just let that absorb into my skin. Alright, so the primer have just completely soaked into my skin. I'm gonna go in with a concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Now this concealer is not in my shade. It's like 1 or 2 shades darker for me. But since it has like a peachy undertone to it, so it acts like a color corrector for me. And as you can see, I do have some discoloration going on. So I definitely need one right now. So yes, I'm gonna go in with my hands and just simply blend out the concealer, and see, it instantly makes a difference. So if you are using a color corrector, please make sure to use like a very thin layer of color corrector. Do not just add on a lot of it because फिर वो cake up होने लगेगा and your makeup's not gonna even stay for a longer period of time. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And first, just dot the foundation on my face. Do not just pick the foundation directly with your sponge because that way you waste a lot of product, and basically the sponge just absorbs like most of the foundation. So yeah, you're wasting a lot of product by doing it like that. So just always dot the foundation on your face and then blend it out with your sponge or brush or whatever it is. I am gonna go in with another concealer, which is going to be a brightening concealer for me. So that's why I'm avoiding the foundation on that area because I don't want a lot of product on my face sitting. So yes. Alright, so my foundation is done. Now I'm gonna go in with a highlighting concealer. So for that I'll be using Swiss Beauty concealer. It's in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm only going to be applying it on the areas wherever I want my face to look a little bit more highlighted. And always remember, whenever you are blending your concealer, make sure to blend the concealer with a very light hand because you don't want to pick up all of that coverage, because you want that coverage. That's the reason why you're using a concealer. So make sure to blend the concealer with a very light hand. Just barely touch the sponge. So I think I need a little bit more around my nose, and I'm gonna quickly prime my lids as well. Alright, so इससे पहले कि मेरा concealer crease होने लग जाए, I'm gonna quickly set my face with a powder. So for that I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. It's in the shade 15 Light. But before doing that, always make sure that you do not have any creases under your eyes or wherever you are setting your face, because otherwise then you're gonna be just setting your face with the creases on. So that's not a pretty sight. So make sure to remove your creases before setting your face. Alright, so let's quickly move on to the eyes, and after that I'm gonna just finish off the face makeup. Okay, so today I feel like filling in my brows, so I'm gonna do that quickly. I'll just spoolie my brows downwards. I'm not gonna go in with a dramatic eyebrow. If you know me, you know I don't like doing a lot of eyebrow work, and go in just on the sparse areas and fill up the gaps. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be taking this shade first with my ring finger, or rather this little finger, and I'll just be tracing the shade. You don't have to be too super precise with this because anyways you're going to be blending the shade out. And don't worry, I know it's looking a little harsh right now, but it's gonna come into place once we just start blending the shades. So next I'm gonna go in with this brown shade and take my ring finger, and I'm just going in below that shade. Just go in with your fingers and start tapping the shades and just very gently start blending it out like so. Okay, so I want a little bit more of depth on this area, so I'm gonna go in with a more darker brown shade like this one, the same shade that I used for my brows, and I'm gonna just tap the shade lightly on the area wherever I want a little bit more depth and just blend it out. And anytime you feel like that the darker shades are looking a little bit patchy, what you want to do is go in with a lighter shade, and then just like I have taken the lighter brown shade over here, I'm gonna just apply that shade on top of that dark brown shade and then just mix and blend. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of a bronzy shade, and I'm gonna again just go in and make sure everything is blended out. And I'm gonna go in with the same transition shade like the peachy shade, and I'm just going in on my lower lash line, just blending it out. As you know, I don't like to do a lot of work on my lower lash lines, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again take the shimmery shade and just apply on the inner parts of my eyes. I'm gonna just quickly do the same thing on the other eye and be right back. One more thing that you could do is keep a tissue or hand towel or anything of that sorts handy, because your fingers are gonna get a little bit dirty while doing the eyeshadow. So always make sure to have clean fingers, because otherwise you're gonna just mix and match all of that shades together and it's gonna end up looking muddy. So make sure that your fingers are clean and then go in with the other eye. So for eyeliner, I'm using the trusted good old Lakme Insta Liner, and I'm going to be making like a very thin and small wing. I'm gonna go in with a bronzer, and for that I'll be using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. It's in the shade Dulce de Leche, and I'll just apply the bronzer on the usual areas I like to apply. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with the same shade that I used for my transition shade and just apply it as my blush. I'm gonna quickly highlight my face, and for that I'll be using Nykaa Glow Getter highlighting palette, and I'll be using my damp sponge to use the highlighter because I like it that way. So I'm gonna go in with the rose gold shade that you see over here and just apply it on the usual areas. I don't want a blinding highlighter, so I'm just going in with a very glow from within kind of a look. So I'm going in with a very light hand of highlighter, and I'm going in with the champagne shade over here and just applying it on my brow bone and a little bit on my inner corners as well. Alright, so I'm done with the highlighter. इससे पहले कि मैं mascara लगाना भूल जाऊँ, let's quickly apply the mascara and finish off the makeup look with some lipstick. First, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. For that, I'll be using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my favorite lipstick, that is the Maybelline Creamy Mattes in the shade Nude Nuance. And I'm gonna top it off with this lipstick. It's from Miss Claire Powder Mattes. It's in the shade 06. Alright you guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.